Hello, this is Mark Murnane, licensed private investigator, complete legal investigations here in South Florida. I'm a certified fraud examiner, a certified legal investigator, and I am here with
Wendy Murnane, and I'm a certified paralegal and a licensed private investigator.
We began our company back in 2001, and Wendy joined me in 2003. So we have been serving the legal community here in South Florida and really throughout the country for
Husband and wife team.
Husband and wife team for 19 years.
Wow.
I served originally as the staff investigator for the Federal Public Defender here in the Southern District of Florida, criminal defense work. And Wendy, where did you come out of?
Well, I've worked for attorneys my entire life. Started out with doing criminal defense, ended up with a very notorious civil plaintiff attorney in West Palm Beach, and I was there for 16 years.
And now you're with me for 16 years.
Yeah.
It's like a great benefit to me, a death sentence to her.
No, this has been a fun time.
Yeah. But we work essentially for attorneys and law firms, anything involved in litigation. One of our greatest assets, I think, is our association with investigators literally all around the world.
Yes.
We are members of the National Association of Legal Investigators,
Mm-hmm.
World Association of Detectives, and the Florida Association of Licensed Investigators. I like to say, people, we don't know everybody, but we know somebody everywhere.
Right. We have a lot of associates.
And that's really been one of the chief assets we bring to our company. What kind of work do we do?
Well, we do all kinds of work, anything lawyers need, but our main focus has been personal injury, doing interviews, locates, background, asset checks. We also do family law, same kind of thing, research, surveillance, criminal defense work, as Mark mentioned. I'm a mitigation specialist, and anything lawyers need, we can pretty much get that information.
We cover the gamut from car crashes to first-degree murder cases to custody issues. We're well-versed. We've got a lot of experience in the area, and we combine our talents very well also with our associates. So
Yes.
we bring the attorneys and law firms that we work with a fully orbed exposure to all that's available.
Yes, and we like to drink coffee in the car.
Drink coffee.
And we have a YouTube channel about that. So
We do. Investigators in cars
Yes.
drinking coffee. So thanks for joining us this afternoon. We appreciate your patience with us. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel below. Visit us on our website at www.completelegalinv.com. And we'll see you next time. Talk to you soon.
Take care.